हिंदुस्तान में अगर आपके पास पैसा है तो आपकी इज्जत है, लेकिन अगर वो पैसा दिखावा बन जाता है तो वो थोड़ी नफरत बन जाती है. केस इन पॉइंट से विजय माल्या, केस इन पॉइंट से जामनगर. These are all what is considered a flashy, unnecessary display of wealth, where you're almost trying to, ऐसा I'm very sure इनका मतलब नहीं था, but it comes across कि आप बस दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हम कितने गरीब हैं, and आप दिखाना चाहते हैं कि आप कितने अमीर हैं, कि आप किसी को भी नचवा सकते हैं, किसी को भी बुला सकते हैं, किसी को भी कुछ भी दे सकते हैं, right? बेइंतहा. That does not fit in culturally with us, and Tatas, to their credit, have never done that. The portray, whether it's PR, whether it's their own personality or their demeanor, उन्होंने कभी भी अपने रईसियत का दिखावा नहीं दिखाया. It's always been, हाँ हम रईस हैं, वो तो हैं क्योंकि मेहनत से हैं, लेकिन हम ये नहीं दिखाना चाहते कि तुम कितने गरीब हो, और हम ये नहीं दिखाना चाहते कि हम कितने अमीर हैं.
Like you would never see, like Ratan Tata is fond of planes, but you would never see his image flying a plane, exactly. A private jet.
Yeah, ऐसे ही कोई Jaguar में बैठा हुआ है.
He has all sexy Jaguars.
But you'd never see that. He owns the bloody company.
He owns the bloody company.
But you know, the image we have is कि रतन टाटा स्टेज पे टाटा नैनो चला के आया है कि लॉन्च ऑफ द 1 lakh कार. So यार ये तो बड़ा अर्दी है. So that's one. Second, trust is not कि मुझे भरोसा है कि आप गलती नहीं करेंगे. When is maximum trust built? Maximum trust is built when you make a mistake and you own up to the mistake before people point it to you. That is when maximum trust is built. And that is what I feel Tatas have done commendably well.
Okay, example?
It would be several things, whether there is a factory union problem. Here's a great one. I don't know how many people know this. Tatas have been credited to bring the 40-hour work week as a concept in the world in 1908. Before 1908, there were no working hours for people, and there was no concept of overtime. There was no concept of fixed hours to get a fixed salary. You were given a fixed salary, but you could be asked to work 24 hours a day if your work required that. Tatas were the first companies to come up with a fixed schedule of work, bring the concept of overtime, bring the concept of pension, bring the concept of health insurance, because it went through phases where they realized कि their productivity was at a loss and they were making the same mistakes that everyone else was making, and they're like, यार we own up to this mistake, ये तो sustainable है ही नहीं. मतलब एक इंसान को हम कितने घंटे काम करवा लेंगे फैक्ट्री में, इससे पहले कि वो दम ही तोड़ दे वहाँ, हमें ही एक गार्ड रेल बना लेना चाहिए क्योंकि हमारा ही नुकसान हो रहा है इसमें. लेकिन उस नुकसान को सॉल्व करने के लिए उन्होंने दूसरे लोगों का भी भला कर दिया. एंड दैट इज फैसिनेटिंग बिकॉज व्हेन you own up to a mistake before the mistake is pointed to you, it elevates your trust index intensely.
Interesting.
And that's what I think that Tatas have done commendably well, because they've been very consistent with that. चाहे वो बॉम्बे के अटैक्स हों 26/11 के या कहीं भी हो, like they've always been at the forefront. गलती नहीं थी वो उनकी, but they didn't have to go out of their way to acknowledge everyone who just literally served with their life as a chef, as a waiter in the Taj Hotel, when they didn't need to. Like job है bro, वो निकल तू यहाँ से, बचा अपनी जिंदगी. What is in the minds of someone to say नहीं यार ये मेरा गेस्ट है, मुझे अपनी जान दे के इस गेस्ट को बचाना होगा. That I have goosebumps when I'm saying this, but no, that is the kind of thing that they would build.